In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Sheets. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a modern browser and that you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're in, take a second to confirm you can see your main dashboard. That's where we'll find the AI Sheets feature. From the main dashboard, navigate to AI Sheets. You'll usually see it as a tile or in the sidebar. Click it to enter the tool. Think of AI Sheets as a smart spreadsheet that can generate tables, run analyses, and build formulas based on plain language instructions, so you can focus on what you want rather than how to do it. Next, start a new sheet or workspace. Give it a clear name that reflects your goal, like monthly marketing metrics or product price comparison, so it's easy to find later. If there are template options, choose a blank one for full control or a starter template if it matches your use case. Now enter your task, question, or data prompt. Be specific about what you want. For example, say something like create a table with columns for date, campaign, spend, clicks, and conversions, and calculate cost per click and conversion rate. Or analyze this sales data and summarize top products by region. Include key details such as column names, units, time ranges, and any formulas you expect. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. If you have constraints, mention them, like sorting preferences or the format you want in the final table. Let Genspark generate or analyze the sheet for you. You'll see it working to populate tables, add formulas, or produce summaries. Avoid clicking away while it processes. If it asks clarifying questions, answer briefly and precisely to stay on track. When the results appear, review the tables, summaries, or formulas it creates. Spot check a few numbers, click into cells to confirm formulas are correct, and scan for formatting issues like inconsistent dates or currencies. If something looks off, adjust the prompt wording and run it again, or directly edit cells and formulas. Finally, edit, save, or export the finished sheet. Tidy column headers, apply number formats, and add brief notes if needed. Save your work with a descriptive name and version tag. When you're ready to share or use the data elsewhere, export in your preferred format, such as a standard spreadsheet file or a CSV, so it integrates smoothly with your other tools. And that's it. With these steps, you can go from an idea to a working AI-powered spreadsheet in minutes.